Hey, to change your Battlenet name, all you have to do is just to click on your profile icon in the right upper corner on the Battlenet launcher. Then from this, go into the change battle tag. And now, just wait for the loading screen, and from here, click on buy now. And now, as you can see, we can actually change our battle tag for the first time for free. So in my case, I've got this information that I haven't used the battle tag change, and each user is given for one free battle tag change at sign up. And we might still have a free change available, or we have previously purchased a battle tag. So now all we have to do is just to click to change my battle tag. Now we'll be moved into the website where we have to actually log in with our account. So that's what I'm gonna do. There we go. And from here, we'll have to actually navigate into the battle tag. It's currently in the Polish, but it's actually in the same place with the English or any other language. So click to change it. And now from this, input your new battle tag and then click to confirm. And that's how you can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.